Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic cooking tool that's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their culinary skills, the commercial Sous Vide precision cooker. We found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this Sous Vide cooker? The commercial Sous Vide precision cooker is a high-performance immersion circulator designed for both home and professional kitchens. It uses a method of cooking vacuum-sealed food in a water bath at precise temperatures, ensuring that your meals come out perfectly cooked every time. With its impressive 1400W fast heating system, this cooker is built for consistency and efficiency. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this device. First and foremost, we have the powerful heating system that ranges from 10 degrees Celsius to 99 degrees Celsius, or 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. This means you can cook a wide variety of dishes to perfection, whether you're preparing delicate sous vide egg bites or a perfectly tender steak. The cooker also boasts a 3D water circulation pump that delivers an impressive flow rate of up to 25 liters per minute. This ensures even heat distribution across the water bath, supporting containers of over 70 liters, which is fantastic for batch cooking or larger meals. Durability is another key aspect of this sous vide machine. It features IPX7 rated waterproof construction, safeguarding its internal components from water damage. The stainless steel housing and heating coil not only provide a sleek look but also make cleaning a breeze. Plus, its certifications, including CE, ROHS, ETL, and FCC, assure you of its safety and reliability. Operating the cooker is straightforward, thanks to the clear LCD digital display. This screen shows essential information such as the current temperature, heating status, circulation mode, low water alerts, and timer settings. The intuitive touch controls make it easy to adjust settings, even if you're a beginner in the sous vide world. Now, who is this product suitable for? This sous vide cooker is designed for both home cooks looking to experiment with new cooking techniques and professional chefs who need a reliable tool for consistent results. Whether you're a passionate home cook trying to impress guests, or you manage a restaurant, cafe, or catering service, this immersion circulator can help you achieve restaurant-quality dishes with ease. Let's discuss a few practical use cases. Imagine hosting a dinner party where you can prepare perfectly cooked salmon fillets, served with a delicious sauce and vegetables. Or consider the convenience of cooking multiple portions of chicken breast for meal prep throughout the week. With sous vide, you can set it and forget it, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your meal without the worry of overcooking or undercooking your proteins. In summary, the commercial sous vide precision cooker is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to take their cooking to the next level. With its powerful heating, precise temperature control, and user-friendly design, it truly stands out in the market. Whether you're cooking at home or in a commercial kitchen, this immersion circulator delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.